Good day in the home, I'm your host Will and Cloud and welcome to another Wagon video or Mazda 6 or how to do it. From the thumbnail you have seen what we are doing and where we are doing, so let's go. There is no explanation needed, I'll show you how to do it. Whoa, hold up there, cowboy. Before you go in and buy this. Do you know what kind of length you need or how long you need it? This blade, how long it is from this end to this end. Do you know how long it is? Obviously you don't. Easiest way, tape measure. Put it right there. Or just do it the other way around and measure it. For me the tape goes to 350, so it's 350 millimeters long. So from here till the very end, 350 millimeters. Once you take the picture with the phone, then let's go back to Halfords.
There's all electric on my BMW. Yeah, well, it's back and all that's probably hassle. So I'll just do this. Keep it high, take it away.
And now let's change it. It's pretty easy. It's actually easier than you thought, because on the box, on the back it's written. Look at that. See, on the back of the box. So we're gonna do it. I'll show you why I need a new one. Now firstly boink and wiggle. Look at that. All nice and fresh. And to change this out, it's pretty simple. Lift up, it stops right here because it has a lock. So basically there's a click, there's satisfying click, you can see. See, old? You can see how the mechanism looks like. You put it in here and then you lock it with this tab. It moves and locks. So this is the old one. This is a new one. Quite a difference, isn't it? And to install this, basically you need to put this one just like this in twist. So this latch right here, here's a lip. If you can see it or not, there's a lip. See, right there. Hold on. See, it remains the function that it locks. Hold on. And the reason why you have to change the wipers sometimes. When it talks back, that's not good. See, it's all broken, and this is all crusty and rusty, and if you can't see, it's pretty bad. It was time to change it, so we changed it. If you liked this video and this video was helpful, of course smash the like button, subscribe and notification bell. I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye.